Hello, everyone. Welcome to another tutorial on building Android apps. Today, we'll be exploring how to implement the MVVM Model-View-ViewModel architecture using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Here's what we'll cover in this tutorial. 1. Creating a user model. 2. Setting up a user repository. 3. Implementing the user view model. And 4. Building the Composable UI. We start by defining a simple user data class to represent the user information in our app. Now, let's create the user repository class. The user repository class simulates fetching user data. In a real app, this would involve network requests or database queries. In this Kotlin code, we simulate fetching users from a data source. The getUsers function returns a list of user objects, each representing a user with the unique ID, name, and email address. Feel free to expand this list as needed for your application. Moving on to the user view model. This Kotlin class handles the business logic for our app. It utilizes Jetpack Compose's mutable stadia to manage the list of users. The getUsers function fetches users from the user repository and updates the live data, ensuring our UI stays up to date with the latest user information. We use Jetpack Compose to create the UI. The user list composable fetches users and displays them in a lazy column. User listem is a composable for each user in the list. The user list composable fetches users when it's first launched, ensuring that our user data is ready to be displayed. The lazy column efficiently handles the list of users, and we've created a separate user listum composable for each user in the list. And there you have it. We've successfully implemented MVVM in Android using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. This structured approach enhances code maintainability and separation of concerns in our Android app. Feel free to explore additional features, handle loading states, and integrate navigation for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Happy coding!